When you feel like life has fractured you to pieces, you are welcome here at the Medical City. We'll help you bind yourself back together so you can return on track to where you want to be.
So last year, July 2013, I got into a car accident. I was brought to the nearest hospital there, but then my parents decided to transfer me here in PMC because the hospital is much more accessible and convenient for us. The procedure I had to go through, basically it's everything from plastic surgery, reinforcing the bones with metal plates and pins because I had a lot of fractured bones.
So Andrea was referred to me by the orthopedic trauma team. Challenging case because she was a very young patient. She sustained significant facial injuries, lacerations from that car crash. Patient partnership really helped. We were with her. She was with us all the way. She surprised us. Her recovery period was quite smooth.
The doctors, the medical staff, and the nurses, they were very confident of what they were doing. So I was confident as well. I could feel that they wanted me to get better.
So in the case of Andrea, after doing the surgery, I told her that was the easy part. And the difficult part was actually getting back to her normal life after the surgery. It was going to take so much rehab and so much treatment, but she was going to be the one who was really going to do the work. Luckily, she bought into it. She was very compliant with her surgery. She was very motivated to go back. And that's where it really all starts. We can only do so much as doctors, but if the patient doesn't buy into the treatment and her recovery, then nothing's going to work. This day and age, though, you can't just usually tell the patient what you need to do. Usually, they now take a hand in terms of deciding how they want to be treated and what is also entailed in the recovery after such surgery and such treatment.
As a patient or as a partner, I had to be really cooperative of all the instructions of the doctors, all the medications. The Medical City will help you get better. Hindi lang recovery, pero hanggat sa gumaling ka as a better version of yourself, susuportahan ka nila.
So that's what patient partnership is really all about in the real world. Getting the patient to buy into the idea of they're playing an active role in the treatment, in their management.
7 months old po siya. Napansin namin yung prominence dun sa likod niya. Ang initial findings po sa amin is scoliosis. Na-operahan siya for posterior spinal fusion at 2 years old. Kaya lang po last year, masyadong mataas yung degree na naman ng scolio niya. We had a series of tests and decision is for surgery uli. Thus follow the referral dito nga po sa Medical City. Then, lahat po nung kailangan naming malaman, talaga pong with courtesy na sinasagot din po nila kami na napakagalang and binigyan po nila ako ng assurance na pwedeng ma-achieve nung anak ko after the surgery.
Having surgery at 2 years old and another surgery at 13 years old, it's quite difficult. Of course, you have to get the trust and confidence. Of course, the parents started to ask questions. And you have to explain briefly, accurate, and with confidence. You discuss with them what are the options, complications, the outcomes. We made them partners in the decision-making for the treatment of their child.
After the surgery, kailangan namin siyang i-motivate. Kaming mag-asawa na yung tumulong ulit sa kanya to sit down on his own na makatayo siya. Then, unti-unti, hanggang sa makalakad, tinuruan kami ng nurses, ng doctors na yung railings doon, yun ang gagamitin namin. Tulong-tulong kami hanggang sa nung medyo talagang okay na siya maglakad. Yung saya ng mga doktor na nakikita namin, pag inaabutan nila kami, nakakatayo siya, nakakalakad siya, yung tuwa nila, na-appreciate ko yung malasakit nila kahit tapos na yung surgery ng anak ko. To the Department of Orthopedics at the Medical City, thank you very much.
With the Medical City, there's always a bigger picture that comes into view. We partner with our patients in mending their fractures and inspiring them to begin their life anew.